It's very important for my family to have access to the internet, and it's like having everything at your fingertips. I homeschool this one, so 90% of the resources that I have to access is online.
I do things like studying for classes, taking tests, because pretty much everything is digital now. There's been multiple times where I had to help an adult use and navigate the online resources. My teacher today, he needed help with copying a Google Doc. To us, it's like so simple, but for him, he needed a little extra help.
You have a generation who is not so tech savvy, whereas you have the teenage generation that they know how to navigate everything. But there are some things that they still need help with, Excel spreadsheets, working with Outlook, things like that. So it's different, but everyone's in need of that support.
We know, based on research that we have done, that digital navigators make a big difference in whether or not people get online. There's data to show. People apply for jobs that pay higher wages. People get more education out of being online. So we know that it makes a difference in people's lives.
I'm very happy to be a digital navigator because I feel the need is definitely out there. The individuals I've been able to help out so far, it's just been such a joy to see them, when they were able to figure something out. Someone who didn't know how to do that before, to download the app and then actually do it, and just to see their face. Their face light up and they just get so excited.
To help all of you here today achieve your future of unlimited possibilities, we're giving every household here a brand new laptop computer. Every household here.
When I received the laptop from Comcast, it made me feel really relieved. It's really a blessing. It helps in so many ways for me and my family.
What we did today was to say, not only do we understand it's important for you to be online, but here's a device to help you. Their joy makes me joyous because you realize you're making a difference. When you can come and be part of an effort like this and see the joy in these people's faces, it's priceless.